Hi guys, I wanted to show you one of my latest purchases. It's a travel barbecue from Amazon, eBay. It's only about a tenner. Desktop barbecue, fits in the cart really nicely because it folds up. It's on legs and it's brilliant for travel. One of the great little features on this barbecue are the legs that are part of the body, and you just unfold them out. So wherever you happen to be, you don't need to worry about stones or bricks or keeping the barbecue off the grass. It's already a good distance away. The back acts as a windbreak, and you can see here the side bits just slot in, so you can have that away from the wind and your barbecue shouldn't be too smoky. This grill I'm putting in now didn't actually come with the kit, it's just a spare one, and it means I can put this old oven tray inside and use that to keep all the coals together. So when I want to clean it out, all I've got to do is take out this old oven tray rather than wash down the whole barbecue.
Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain. I know you told your friend you're not okay. Tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until fade away.
20 minutes later and there's a good covering of ash over the coals. It's not gone out, it's nice and hot and ready to start cooking. Well, there we are, great little travel barbecue. If you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe. I'm off to have my dinner. See you soon.